Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shannon Glam, but today I will be the Joker. This is the 2019 Joker version played by Joaquin Phoenix. Or Joaquin, I don't know. I was trying to figure out how to say that in English. Joaquin, whatever. Joaquin Phoenix. It's pretty different. You know, it has like this blue thing going on here. The last Joker version was more black around the eyes. It was also more cut up. It had the scar for the mouth, but now it's just like here, painted on and we're good to go. But I really like this version. It was easy to recreate and the eyebrows are different too this time. There's no tattoo on the forehead as you see, so there's a lot of different things going on here. Whatever, you know, changes. Thank you guys so much for following me on my Halloween series 2019. And before we continue, please remember to subscribe to our channel and we will begin. The first color that we will use is the Benai Clown White shade, and I decided to apply this using a beauty blender. You could also use a brush as well, whatever works for you so the color could be evenly dispersed throughout your face. Make sure you guys set the paint with any setting powder of your choice. That way it could last longer, especially if you're gonna go out to a party and have this all night. Now for the eye area, the 2019 Joker has 2 upside down triangles underneath the eye and then 2 regular triangles on top of the eyebrows. And then in the middle area, make sure you keep that white. We will now be doing the eyebrows. I wanted a little bit more of a darker red, not so vibrant, so later on I mixed a little bit of black with this color. I love these eyebrows. They're so cute. I don't know, do they look like swimmers to you? It's kind of weird, but kind of cute. Like little goldfish, I guess. The little goldfish snacks. To me, they just look like that. Anyways, you're gonna go ahead and finish that. I'm adding a little bit of black and just taking that same exact brush and the same exact colors to complete the nose and the smile. When you're doing Halloween makeup or SFX makeup or fantasy makeup, however you would like to call it, the size of the brushes are very important. I decided to start the smile off with a thinner brush and then I'm gonna fill it in with a thicker brush. I just decided to do this because the thinner brushes, they give you more precision. That's what I wanted for the outline, and then you just go ahead with a bigger one to fill it all in. We're now gonna go in with my favorite part, which is recreating the clothes. The first thing that we're gonna be doing is a collar. The collar is green, so I'm just gonna fill that all in. And then, just so you could see the difference between the collar and the other parts of the clothing, I'm just gonna create a shadow, blending a brown and a black eyeshadow. Going to create an elongated V, and this is going to be the rest of the shirt. It's just a little small area because afterwards we're going to recreate that vest, which is yellow. Now for the vest. You're not going to see a lot of the vest because most of it is going to be covered up with the red jacket. So you're just going to do another V. This one is just going to start a little bit more up than the green part, and then you're just going to go in with your jacket. The Joker suit jacket is more of a burgundy type of red, so I decided to just mix up a little bit of black, a little bit of red to get that color. Remember, as long as you guys have primary colors and black and white, you can pretty much achieve any color by mixing. So you don't have to go out and buy a burgundy or buy a lighter blue or a darker blue. You can just achieve that by adding a little bit of white, a little bit of black, depending on the end result. If you look at the Joker, he has a little bit of created shadow or contour, as we may say, on the side. He also has it in the chin area, so that's what I'm gonna do here. You could go in with your favorite contour or bronzer to achieve that look. Next up, I used a spray bottle to wet my hair. After it was wet, it was super easy just to place on the Mayron paint because it is water activated. Once you have completed the hair, you are done with this look. Thank you guys so much for watching my makeup tutorial recreating this look. If you guys saw the movie, let me know what you guys thought. Comparing it to the other Joker ones, which version did you like? Of course, if you recreate this look, let me know. Before you guys leave, please remember to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social medias. Shannon_glam Instagram, Shannon_glam in Twitter too, and Shannon Glam with 3 M's at the end for Facebook all together. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you soon.